Hello, I am Amira, your fearless charge nurse.
And I'm Cheryl, Madam Educator.
And this is cord gas sampling 101. All right, most cases of cord gas sampling are done on the fly in emergent situations, meaning you won't always have ample time to prepare. Knowing the supplies to use, the steps to collect, and the proper orders in EPIC will help you in obtaining critical neonatal labs in expedited and proper manner. So the supplies that you're going to need are 2 arterial cord blood sampling syringes located in all delivery room rolling caddies or in a supply drawer in OR 1 and 2. 1 cup of ice. Delegate this task to someone if you are the primary RN or the circulating RN. Something to mark A for arterial sample and V for venous sample. Here are the steps you're going to follow. Number 1, obtain and locate umbilical cord intended to sample.
Wow, where did this come from?
Locate the umbilical artery.
In our cord sample that we have here, you will see that you're smaller here, as opposed to your larger, juicier vein, your artery, and your vein.
Remember, there are typically 2 arteries and they are smaller than the vein. Draw your blood sample from an umbilical artery first and label with A.
At this point, pay no attention to the educator and how she did not prime the syringe, nor did she push the air out of the tube in order to draw up the sample.
If unable to obtain a sample in one place, you can always go to the next. This is a good looking one.
Learn from this faux pas, and remember, prime your syringe and empty the air out of the tube before drawing up your sample.
As this cord is older, it may not provide what we need. You do not want to delay in obtaining the sample, as they will clot pretty quickly. But just envision you have your smaller arterial line, draw it up, and replace with your cap.
Next, draw a blood sample from the umbilical vein, typically the thick, juicy one, and label your syringe V.
Venous, you can clearly see. And draw. So yes, as you can see, this one is already clotting. It will come out right there. Or there it is. And cap. And
At this point in the process, it's important to place your samples on ice. The next thing you're going to do is place your orders.